Hi and welcome to this week's review of the different investment asset classes that I like to look at. It's Saturday the 24th of February 2018 and I just included this picture because I like it. It was a nice portrait I found on Flickr by Jonathan Cosreed, who's obviously a good photographer. Now I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow all of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities and bonds. And I always start off looking at equities, shares, same thing. So let's have a look and see how the fund that I use has done this week. Now you can see where it's been climbing. It fell down a couple of weeks ago, stayed up above the green line, and this last week it's gone sideways, having recovered quite nicely the week before. So it's above the green line, so that to me is a signal to stay invested. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to look at the next slice of the pie next, which is property. And again, a few weeks ago it fell down badly. A couple of weeks ago it rose up. This week, again, slight sideways move, but well above the green line. So this is a trade that's nicely in profit. You can see where I got into the trade back in the early part of last year. But no, that's doing fine. And we're going to look at gold next. This is the third slice, and gold seems to be kind of drifting kind of sideways, maybe down a little bit. It's certainly below the green line. So to me, that's an indication to stay in cash, which is what I'm doing. And now, last week I had a signal to get back into commodities, having had a signal the week before to exit it. It's been quite choppy, the fund that I use for commodities. This week it's gone down very slightly, but it's above the green line, so I'm going to stay invested, keep ticking along there. Bonds, now I don't trade in and out of bonds, I just remain invested in three differently denominated bond ETFs, one in pounds, one in euros, and one in dollars, US dollars. So I just hold them and have some currency hedging this way. So, okay, let's look at the traffic lights. So the signals, shares are on a green still, property is also on a green, gold is on a red, hasn't risen up above the green line yet, commodities are on a green, and bonds are always on a green for me. So what have I got to do this week? Well, nothing at all. It's nice and easy, which is really why I like to use this system. Okay, now just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. So I'm not recommending what you do or making any claims about how well the strategy might perform for me in the future. And if you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box, as I might. So just regard this video as entertainment. It's not advice. Have a great week. I'll do another video next week and catch up with you then. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.